Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is obviously a glow up video, and we are gonna go from looking like this to looking like that. And I'm actually gonna complete this video because usually I start it and I never finish it and I'm like damn, but we are gonna finish it. First part of the glow up is I need to clean up my room. I need to organize my clothes for my laundry, and I need to clean up my room. So I'm gonna come back once that's finished. Okay, so my room is mostly clean for the most part. Over here is always a no, but whatever. For the most part, it's clean. Put one color on my toes, and that is gonna be this color. Oh, I didn't know you could put it off of it. Super cute, but I need to like take off my old polish and everything. Okay, so now I'm watching Vampire Diaries, and I have this drill, and I'm gonna drill off the gel polish, keeping it on a very low speed because yeah, and I just have a sanding band on there. Okay, so I just finished my toes, and it's 1:46. I'm literally watching the originals, and it's so, well, not the originals, the Vampire Diaries, y'all. After I filed off all the polish, I sprayed it with my acetone, and then I went in with this cuticle remover. So I went over that with the cuticle remover, let it sit for like 5 minutes. Then I pushed my cuticles back. Then after that, I went in, I sprayed it again with the acetone, wiped it off. Then I used this dehydrator, dehydrate my nails. Use the Beetles base gel. Then I told you I was going in with my glitter polish. And then after that, this is the top coat I use. And you can see nail polish spilled on it. But yeah, this is the top coat I use. And yeah, now I'm done, period. And I'm gonna put some cuticle oil on it right now, which I actually got this from YesStyle. Okay, good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday, June 17th, 16th. And basically, I did not wake up early enough to go to the laundromat, which is my fault. I thought I set an alarm, I didn't. But I did just pack all my makeup, so everything I'm using packed up in here, and I have like my other products up in here. This bag I got from Ulta, and I have all my brushes in this bag. I'll have to wash my like 2 sponges, but that's it. So I have that. I'm gonna put these blotting pads in my purse. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. It is like 5:30. I need to bleach the knots on my wig, but I'm mad I forgot to get some gloves from work. So let's see how this might go. Okay, this is how the wig look. The knots aren't the smallest, but it's okay. Oh, it come with a drawstring. Okay, I'm fucking with that. And it has a band. How it looks. But the frontal is not that long. Here's an update. I'm about to go to work, but look at the wig. Okay, y'all, I'm watching Vampire Diaries, and also, okay, it's Wednesday, right? Went to the laundromat, folded my clothes, put them away, hair is braided down. Now I'm oiling my scalp with this chop. I have this pimple that's not gone away. It's been like 3 days. This one also, it's been like 3 days. So we really gonna work on getting rid of that tonight. But I want to try on my wig. Y'all, I love this hair. I don't know if it's fully human, but it's thick. Y'all see? Like, it's thick. I trimmed the ends, so that's why they look like that. So the wig is definitely synthetic. Y'all can see the hair is sticking. I'm literally crimping it, and it's not really holding the crimps. Like, it's barely holding it, so that means it's synthetic. I wanted some really crisp crimps, but I can't get them because the hair is synthetic. Like literally, this one was burning like bad. You're recording.
Well, got me tonight.
I had my wig band on for however long. I love to use these small razors, the tiny ones for the wigs.
The necklace is a talisman from the original witch herself. Behold, which can draw power.
I like to use this from Kiss because we don't fuck with Eben. We don't fuck with Eben, y'all.
New world. That's what I said. That could be true. Except the last name up here made us think otherwise.
Now I'm feeling that shit. I wasn't feeling it at first. Now I'm feeling it. We're gonna let this melt until my ears is ringing. It's 11:40. I'm tired as fuck. I gotta go to work tomorrow. So let's take this off and see what it looks like. See, that shit should hurt. Ooh. Gonna add some more foundation.
Tony, you know what to do. Well, she does. Go ahead.
Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. This is the last day of the vlog. So I gotta get everything together today. Specifically, like this morning, it's like 7:30, 7:40. I leave tomorrow morning. I'm about to look up some tutorials on how to do the edges because I always struggle with the edges. So okay, so I did my edges. I'm not the best at doing edges, but they're done. They're melting down. I'm gonna do our eyelash clusters. Okay, so I finished my eyelashes. I didn't seal them yet just because I don't know how I feel about it. My eyes are watering a little bit. So we are just gonna, I think when I get back, I want to do my toes and just clean up my room from work. Okay. Not too shabby. Put the hair down and see what it look like. Wear it straight. We gonna wear it straight. I'm gonna just straighten my hair again tonight. I love the hair. I love the hairstyle, but the hair is actually synthetic, so that sucks. Yes, I love this. So the last step, because we got the hair done, we got the lashes done. The last step is the nails, which I'm gonna do when I come back from work. So hi guys, I'm back from work. Okay, so as you can see, I changed my lashes. I literally ripped the ones off when I came back from work because I was like, they was already looking weird, but these ones look way better. I'm gonna leave this one linked down below because this one was fire. But it is 6:48, so finished my lashes. Y'all see I did my edges. I showed y'all that earlier. Now I am going to, I want to edit my makeup videos before I leave. So right now what I'm going to do is, and I did my toes, so I redid my toes. I told you I already packed up all my makeup. I have all my stuff laid out. So these are the outfits. This one, and I'm bringing 2 shirts. I do want to bring a pair of jeans just because I know myself, I'm not gonna want to keep wearing my legs out all the time. And I'm coming down in a sweatsuit. Y'all, I'm trying on my fine girl. This earring is big as fuck. Damn. Yeah. This is huge, y'all. Look. Huge. It was free. But damn. I'm not gonna lie, eat though. But I can already tell I'm allergic to it. Like, Damn. People who wear, I don't wear dangling earrings, but damn.
Can we do this later?
Okay.
No, it's right outside. I'll wait.
Yes. Bye y'all. This is the end of the video because my camera is dying. So